My name's Mark and this is my wonderful workshop that I had built earlier this year. It's situated at my grandparents' place in Swanee Village in Kent, who unfortunately are no longer with us, which was very sad and very painful, but their legacy has enabled me to be able to semi-retire and do stuff that I really like doing as opposed to what I had to do. So I had this workshop built so I could just do stuff that I like doing. Now, one of my passions is waste, or people who waste things and materials. So I tend to collect things and make stuff out of other people's, what they class as their rubbish. Things like coffee makers, which is a little invention, well, not a new invention, but something that I've developed early this year. I do a lot of experimentation and work with glass coat resins, and I like making lights out of old tools and stuff that I pick up at boot fairs and skips. So generally that's what I do. I love doing it. It keeps me busy, and yeah, so there might be stuff on here that you like, or you may want made for someone special in your life, or you may just like to watch the channels and see how things I'm doing making things and or buggering things up, one of the two. But it's all good fun, and I thought the channel would be good, and it gives me something else to do, and it keeps me busy, because I do suffer with, I very much suffer with restless, irritable discontent when it comes to seeing things being thrown away and discarded that have years of purposeful usage left in them. So, for instance, this table was made from two scaffold boards, or old scaffold boards out of a skip, and the mahogany running down the middle of it there is, believe it or not, a window frame from a double glazing window, or double glazed unit that a glazing company locally to me had thrown all the frames in a skip. So there you go, that's what I do. I enjoy it, it's a bit of fun, and if you want to watch, then thanks for watching, and I'll catch up with you on some more videos. See you later. Take care.